Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you've been struggling with fibromyalgia or chronic pain, you know how challenging it can be to find relief. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a powerful anti-inflammatory drink that has helped me manage my fibromyalgia pain. This drink combines some of the most healing herbs and spices: turmeric, ginger, cardamom, cloves, and chamomile tea. So, grab your mug and let's get started. So here's what we're going to need. 1 cup of hot water, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1½ teaspoon of ginger powder or freshly grated ginger, 2 to 3 cardamom pods, 2 to 3 whole cloves, 1 chamomile tea bag, or 1 to 2 teaspoons of loose leaf chamomile, and a dash of honey or your favorite sweetener. Optional. Now, let's talk about the amazing benefits of each ingredient before we make the tea. First up, we have turmeric. This golden spice contains curcumin, which is a powerful anti-inflammatory compound. It's been shown to help reduce pain, swelling, and inflammation in conditions like fibromyalgia. It's a must-have for managing pain naturally. Next, ginger. Ginger has natural compounds that can help with pain relief and reduce inflammation. It's also great for digestive health, which is important when you're dealing with chronic pain. Then there's cardamom. This herb not only adds a lovely aroma to your tea, but it also has anti-inflammatory properties that help reduce pain and support digestion. Cloves are also part of the blend, and they're known for their ability to reduce inflammation and provide pain relief. They contain eugenol, which has been studied for its ability to soothe and ease discomfort. And let's not forget about chamomile tea. Chamomile has been my go-to for fibromyalgia pain. It's known for its calming effects and can help reduce pain, relax muscles, and promote a better night's sleep. It's a must for anyone looking for natural relief. Alright, now that we know the benefits, let's make the drink. It's really simple. Start by heating up 1 cup of water. Once it's boiling, add in your turmeric powder, ginger, and cloves. You can slightly crush the cloves to release more flavor. Stir it well and let it simmer for about 3 to 5 minutes. While that's simmering, drop in your cardamom pods. You can either crack them open a little or just leave them whole. Both ways work fine. Now, add your chamomile tea bag or loose leaf tea. Let it steep for about 5 minutes, just like you would with regular tea. After it's done steeping, you can remove the tea bag and strain out the spices. Add a little bit of honey or your preferred sweetener if you like, but it's totally optional. And there you go, your anti-inflammatory drink is ready. This is so soothing and calming. The combination of spices and chamomile really helps with relaxation, and it's great for reducing inflammation in the body. Now, before we wrap up, I want to mention some important precautions. While this drink is packed with healing properties, it's important to be aware of a few things. If you're on blood-thinning medications like warfarin, turmeric and ginger can increase the risk of bleeding. So, if you're taking warfarin, or any other blood thinners, please consult with your healthcare provider before adding these ingredients to your routine. Also, if you're preparing for surgery, it's a good idea to stop taking any anti-inflammatory herbs like turmeric, ginger, or even chamomile at least 2 weeks prior to surgery to avoid potential complications with bleeding. Your doctor can give you the best guidance on how to safely manage your health before any procedures. Remember, everyone's experience with fibromyalgia is different. So while this tea has helped me manage my pain, make sure to consult with your healthcare provider to see what works best for you. Be mindful of your body and listen to its signals. I'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences with this drink. Have you tried any of these ingredients before for pain relief? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a health tip. Take care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next video. I am not a medical practitioner and am not your doctor. It's always best to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice.